Hi, I'm Bahram. Today we are going to install the latest version of DaVinci Resolve Studio. That means 21.0.1 at this time. Also install all the dependencies DaVinci needs and get rid of some packages have conflict with Fedora 44, and if you get any error or loss of dependencies on Fedora or other distros, just comment below and I will help you. Let's get started. First of all, if you didn't install DaVinci Resolve Studio, download it. It's a zip file about 11 GB that I already downloaded, also extracted the zip file. Here we could download it. DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, Linux, and download only. Inside the zip file there is an installer file and its format is .run, and also a guide file that is completely useless because there are many Linux distros and you couldn't install DaVinci on even popular distros. So you should search it through forums, ask AI, or watch my video. Here after extraction we just should open a terminal and then first of all we should install dependencies. That I already installed them. Now we should run this command and that makes the installer executable and also will run installer. As I said, at this time the latest version is 21.0.1, and if your downloaded version is not this, then change the command here and here. You should change the version if the current version isn't this. And run. Next we could install also DaVinci Resolve OpenFX renderer. Next and install. Our root password, depends on your system, it will take a few minutes. And also here, if you got any error before installation, you could comment it below and I will answer it. Finish. After installation is complete, we should disable some dependencies that have conflict with their newer versions on Fedora. Run this command and it will move them to a disabled folder. And now I run DaVinci Resolve. And I don't click quick setup and just click escape and start right now. Here DaVinci will run and we could change scale because the font is very small. And close it. Then run again. And here I create a new project I don't change the location, but you could create and here. But there is a problem here, that if we just put a video inside it and I can change the frame rate, okay, you got this error, your GPU memory is full. And there is a fix for it, and it is here. We close DaVinci Resolve. We have two desktop shortcuts that we should change them. I will show you this. We have this desktop file that we should change this part. We could just place this, or we could just place this part, this, and here. Also, we could just run this code and will run directly on GPU, but we could just change this, or we could discard this and I don't save this file, and I wrote this command that will change both desktop file on desktop and also your original desktop file that you could find it in menu, and this part will change okay, we should just use add sudo. I will put all of them on my GitHub and will share the link in description. We could just run this and you could see this file is also changed. And now we just run DaVinci Resolve and new project, and we could start editing our video, and you can see that DaVinci runs flawlessly. Thank you for watching my video.